Hi guys, long time no speak. I haven't vlogged since Vlogmas, which seems really weird because that was ages ago. But I thought I'd just take like a bit of a break off vlogging for a while because obviously I was doing it every day and like it was a lot, so I thought I would just take a break from it and then go back to it when I actually had something interesting going on in my life. So today I'm actually off to Centre Parcs. You probably won't see this vlog until after I'm back because I think I'm just going to do like a vlog of the trip as a whole. I'm not going to be vlogging every single day when I'm there, just because I don't know. I'm going with my family and I'm going with Sam, so my parents, Andrew and then Sam. So I've just like got myself ready. I'm just getting my stuff ready right now. And then we're going to set off in the car, and yeah, I will let you guys know when we're in the car, or maybe when we're there, we will see. But yeah, I'm so excited. I love going to Centre Parcs. So I thought I would just show you a little bit of my trip. Okay, just as I start my vlog, a squirrel has just jumped up on the table. These squirrels are literally so fat because they just eat all of the leftovers from people at Centre Parcs. Like, look at the size of this squirrel. They're so greedy. What is it doing? Anyway, hi everyone. I'm kind of like partway through getting myself ready, which is why I look so creepy. I have no brows and no mascara on yet. But I've been really bad with vlogging. I haven't actually vlogged since we got here. We got here on Friday and today it is Sunday, so it's kind of, well, we leave tomorrow morning, but just because I was like with my family and stuff and I didn't really like have a chance to vlog because we've been pretty busy. Like yesterday and like on the day that we got here, we've done swimming, we've done badminton, we went out for dinner last night at Cafe Rouge, but my mum was actually ill, so she didn't come with us, so she like stayed in the chalet thing, which is such a shame because she's been ill like for basically, she wasn't ill on Friday and then Saturday and today she's ill, so she hasn't been able to like join in with the swimming, which kind of sucks. Oh my god, I've just noticed the fattest pigeon I have ever seen. Look at the size of that pigeon. That is huge. Literally, look at it. Oh my god. But anyway, I will do a little like chalet tour or lodge tour later on because my parents are actually leaving tonight because they both got work tomorrow, and also my brother's got work tomorrow, so they're going back tonight, which is Sunday. But then me and Sam are going to stay on for the extra day because we did book the place from like Friday to Monday. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna show you the view outside our room, and then I'm in the middle of like getting myself ready. I need to do my brows and my mascara, and then we're gonna go and play. I think I'm doing like football, golf, we're then doing table tennis, and then we're gonna swim. Obviously I can't show you any of the swimming area, but I might show you a bit of the other sports depending how busy it is. I don't really know. Yeah, I'll do my best. So this is the view from outside mine and Sam's room. The living room is over that way. Oh, there's my brother. Andrew. But yeah, there's just like a table thing out here which we haven't used because it's cold. And then obviously we're surrounded by trees. If you haven't been to Centre Parcs before, it's like in a forest. And then we do have a sauna there, but nobody has used it yet, so maybe we'll use that later. I don't really know. This is what the kind of Centre Parcs area looks like. There's just like a bunch of lodges along the sides here and just loads of trees and stuff. And yeah, currently we're walking to football golf. Sam is behind me. Not too sure what he's doing over there, taking some pictures I think. But yeah, we're late as usual. And when I say we're late, I mean I'm late.
Yeah, you're late.
I'm sorry.
I'm always on time.
We're nearly there. Well, we're not actually. We're maybe like 5-10 minutes away, so I'll see you guys when we're there. Also, it's freezing, like it's bloody cold. I'm gonna put this away now in case any people come, but right now there's literally nobody around. Perfect vlogging conditions. Look at the mini Christmas trees! I have a feeling they'll be gone later.
I will.
Wow. I don't really get it. I think it's like a giant pool table with footballs instead. Go on, Andrew. Yay. looking back, we didn't end up going swimming. We just played table tennis and did the football pool thing. I thought it was football golf, but it was football pool. But yeah, we decided not to go swimming. Oh my gosh, there was a pretty bright bird in the sky. Yeah, we decided not to go swimming just because my parents are actually leaving tonight, because I explained earlier they have to go back to work. So my dad was feeling a bit like worn out after table tennis, because like he goes hard with his sports. So yeah, we decided to just come back to the villa. We might go in the sauna, but I think they want to pack, and yeah, not really sure what we'll do this evening, but I'm sure I will show you guys. Also, this is what the lodges look like from the outside. Okay, you can't really see from here. let me show you a bit closer. Yeah, okay, this is what they look like. Oh, there's a sunset over there. That's so pretty. But yeah, they look pretty basic from the outside, but they actually look quite cool on the inside. Hey! What's wrong with its face? It looks so weird. Bye! I wish this would pick up on camera how nice it looks. Okay, that kind of worked, but not really. Oh, it looks so pretty. Look how cool this popcorn is. Wait, it's not focused. This camera doesn't focus anymore. There we go. Gourmet popping corn. Pop a cob. It's a cob of popcorn, and it's supposed to be blue, I think. So we're gonna put it in the microwave. I like how your hand was just in it, but you didn't say anything.
I was gonna open it for you.
Okay.
Are you filming me now?
Yes.
You're filming me. Open it.
Let's put it in the microwave. Goodbye, popcorn. Nope. Oh my god!
Maybe not.
Look! That is so cool! Yeah! It tastes pretty good. But how do we get it off this thing? Ooh. Oh, it's really hot.
Sugar time.
It's so weird. So I'm just sitting at the table taking some pictures for my Instagram for Makeup Revolution. I've just swatched some sneaky new launches on my hand. Actually, when you're watching this vlog, I think they will already have been announced, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm not going to mention them in this vlog. So let me just put those away. But anyway, we just played Mario Kart with my brother, and then my parents and that packed, and they've just left. So it's now just me and Sam, and I thought it would be the best time now to do a little like tour of the lodge thing, because obviously my parents don't want to be in my vlogs. My brother doesn't mind, but why does my face look so bruised? I don't understand. This lighting is so weird. So I showed you guys the outside earlier. This is just the front door, like where you walk in. And then when you walk in, you've got this, which I think is just like a cupboard. And then this one right here, I don't actually know what this is. I think it's okay, that's another cupboard with like an ironing board in it and stuff. And then my parents stayed in this room, which is right here. Let's hope they haven't left anything. They had the biggest room, I think. So when you first walk in, there's a bathroom on the left. The mirrors in here are so nice because they've got these two big lights on either side, so these are really good mirrors for doing your makeup, whereas like the rest of the lighting is a bit dodgy. And so this is what the bathroom looks like. Bathroom number one. You've got a shower up there, and then just like a heated towel rail thing, and then another light. This is what their bedroom looks like. So there's a TV up there, wardrobe space, like some cupboards and stuff, and then I have one of these in my room as well. It's just like a little seated area where you can do your makeup, but the lighting under here is so bad for doing your makeup. Like, can you guys see what I mean? You can't see your eyebrows, and like you just get shadows all over your face, so it's actually the worst lighting for doing your makeup. I don't really understand why they just put a big spotlight up there. Like, they should have put lights on either side, but whatever. And then yeah, there's just like a bed, there's another mirror at the back there, and then out the curtains you won't be able to see anything because it's so dark, but there's just the trees like over there and like the path. So that's my parents' room. And then you come through into the main little living room space. So there is the dining table here. My brother's room is over there, which I'll show you in a minute. There's a little chalkboard thing which my brother and my dad did some equations on, because that's what happens when you have family that are like physicists and mathematicians. And then this is the little kitchen area over here, which is pretty cute. And then this is the actual like living room bit. There's this really nice big sofa. There's a fire down there which we haven't used, and then we've got the TV here which has got my Switch plugged into it. I don't know if you guys knew, well you probably didn't if you don't follow me on Twitter. I bought myself a Switch for Christmas because I wanted to treat myself. And then outside here, I showed you guys this earlier, it's just a different view. There's like the table there, and then the sauna is over there, but nobody used that. So then coming in here very quickly, this was my brother's room, so this one's just got 2 single beds. It's got the mirrors again, and then there's another mirror, but this one's like a lot lower down because I think this is a kid's room, and then another bathroom. And then finally over this part, this is just like another view of the kitchen. And then this is mine and Sam's room. He's on the bed. I'm gonna not show you too much of this because it is an absolute tip, because you guys know what I'm like with mess. We have the same like mirror thing here. And then our bathroom is just over this side of the room. So that is pretty much it for this little house tour. And yeah, like I said, I'm a mess. So I think the plan this evening is me and Sam are just gonna order. They have like a big menu thing where you can order food, because we can't even be bothered to go outside because it's really, really cold. I don't know if it's like cold back in London, but oh, by the way, we're in the Elvedon Centre Parcs. I didn't mention that already, but yeah, it's so cold here. So yeah, we're not about to go outside because we don't have our car, or like the car's parked in the car park, so we'd have to like walk to the restaurant bits, and can't really be bothered, so we're gonna order something. But at the moment we have no phone signal, so that is slightly problematic, but hopefully we can find some phone signal and order food. Food. I really hope they remembered everything. Oh my god, these ribs look so good. We got egg fried rice, sweet and sour chicken, Szechuan chicken, and then some noodle thing that Sam ordered. Oh my god, yes! So, the meal was not that great. I mean, actually it was quite nice. The ribs were good. The chicken was quite nice, but it was just really, really tough. And then I just feel like I wasted so much food because like there's so much rice left, but there's no way I could eat all of that to myself. And then you're not really supposed to reheat rice. I don't really know why. I mean, I do it sometimes, but like obviously I can't bring this home with me tomorrow, so yeah, that kind of sucks. Sam's noodles weren't very nice. They tasted really weird, but anyway, yeah. Unfortunate. Hello, it's the next day. We're going home. I didn't end up vlogging the rest of our evening just because I forgot. Our Chinese was kind of bad. But yeah, we are now in the car heading home, and I will chat to you guys when I get home. Okay, so I'm now home. I've still got my hat on. For some reason, whenever I wear hats recently, I keep them on when I'm inside because, I don't know, just taking it off, I always have these like lines on my forehead. But anyway, yeah, I literally just got in like 10 minutes ago. I went and dropped Sam home because on the journey home, it was just me and Sam because like I said, my dad, my mum and my brother went home last night, although the reason they went home is because, well, my brother had to work and my dad had to work, but my mum was also supposed to be working today, but she's actually taken the day off sick because she got really, really ill on the second day of Centre Parcs. I know there's been so much like illnesses going around recently. I was ill about like a month ago. I don't know if you guys remember. You probably do because I complained about it so much in my vlogs and like on Twitter and stuff. But yeah, my mum has finally got an illness, which is really sad, and she's currently like upstairs asleep in bed, and the time is, I think it's about 1:30, and for the rest of my day I'm going to be editing tonight's video, which is a review video of the Kathleen Knights Colourpop stuff. So you'll probably be watching this vlog and that video will already be up. But I just wanted to show you guys something because I haven't spoken to you since before Christmas. Firstly, Happy New Year. I'm sorry that this vlog has been so like bitty and like choppy. I haven't really got back into the swing of like vlogging yet, but I do have something pretty exciting that is happening this week involving my hair. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you're subscribed because I'm gonna try my best to do like as much vlogging as I can on that day. But yeah, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had the best Christmas ever. Thank you for making my like December so great. You guys left some amazing comments on all of my vlogs, and oh, hello. If you want to see my what I got for Christmas video, it's on my main channel, which is Soph Does Nails. If you're just subscribed to this one, although I doubt you would just be subscribed to this one, I don't know. But yeah, if you haven't noticed already, I've got new glasses. These are one of the pairs of the new ones. I look a bit stupid with my hat. Ugh, now my hair's all flat. But yeah, these are the first pair of glasses that I got. I ended up getting 2 pairs because my prescription changed. If you guys didn't know, like without my glasses I literally can't see anything. I normally wear contact lenses, but on like my days where I don't need to film or anything, then I'll just be wearing glasses. So I got this pair, which I believe are Specsaver's own brand. Some people were asking me on Twitter which ones these are. I think... Oh, the number has rubbed off the side of them. These are just some Specsaver's own brand ones. I think, anyway, they're not like designer ones or anything. And then I got a second pair as well, which, give me a sec. The second pair are a little bit love it or hate it. Also, can we just appreciate how thick these lenses are? Because they didn't offer me the, like, lens thinning. So they are such thick lenses. Like, can you see this? Like, can you see how much the lens sticks out from the glasses? It's a bit ridiculous. But anyway, let me just put these on. So this is the second pair, and like I said, I know that some people are going to love these, some people are going to hate them. I quite like them. I think they're quite cool, like for when I'm wearing makeup and I want to look a little bit like edgy. Oh my god, I literally hate myself. I just thought they looked kind of cool, and I felt like, I don't know, they worked kind of well with my hair. I look really weird because I haven't filled in my eyebrows today, but anyway, I am now going to go and edit this video that I need to get up today. I just hope you guys have an amazing 2018. I hope that this year is going to be really, really good. Let me know what your New Year goals are down below, because I would really love to know. I think my New Year goals are... I don't really know, to be honest. Just to... hopefully continue doing YouTube and yeah, I guess just like grow my channel a bit and just generally be happy. And I do want to try and be a bit more healthy this year because my diet is terrible and I don't exercise, so that is another goal. So yeah, but for now I'm going to leave it there and I will see you in the next one. Bye!